Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration 1 minus cos cube x divided by sin square 2x dx. Just follows these steps. So we can write separately here 1 upon sin square 2x dx minus integration cos cube x divided by sine square. Oh, here 2x, I forgot to write 2. This is 2x dx. Okay, and um, we know that 1 upon sine x is cosec x, so 1 upon sine square 2x we can write integration cosec square 2x dx. Okay, and here cos cube x right as it is, and we know that sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, but here is square sine square 2x, that's why square it dx. Okay, and here integration cosec square 2x dx minus here integration cos cube x divided by 2 square is 4, sin x square is sin square x, cos x square is cos square x dx. Okay, and this one integration cosec square 2x dx right as it is. Here we can write 1 upon 4 integration cos cube x and cos square x, so here just left cos x, and here sin square x dx. Okay, integration cosec square 2x dx minus 1 upon 4 integration sin square x, we can write sin minus 2 power and cos x dx. Okay, so here two integration. Okay, this one and this one. We use here substitution method. So here put 2x is equal to a, and here um, sin x is equal to t. So when we differentiate here, we get 2 dx is equal to dA, but here only dx, so dx is equal to 1 upon 2 dA. And here when we differentiate, we get cos x dx is equal to dt. So here integration cosec square a, okay, and dx value 1 upon 2 dA, so we can write 1 upon 2 here, and dA minus 1 upon 4 integration sin x is t, so t to the power minus 2, and this value dt we can substitute. Okay, now we can integrate. So 1 upon 2 cosec square a, when we integrate we get minus cot a. Okay, minus 1 upon 4, when we integrate t to the power minus 2, so t to the power minus 2 plus 1, it means minus 1, and divided by minus 1 plus c, any arbitrary constant. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2 cot a This minus and this minus 1 plus 1 upon 4, and we can write 1 upon t. So can we write 1 upon 4t plus c? Okay, minus 1 upon 2 cot. What is a value? A value was 2x. Okay, we can write here 2x plus 1 upon 4, and t value sin x. Okay, so sin x plus c. This is also answer, but I am doing one more step. Cot 2x plus 1 upon 4. 1 upon sin x, we can write cosec x, sorry, cosec x plus c. And this is our final answer. So very simple question, just follows these steps. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.